When data is imported into platforms like Microsoft Power BI, a key challenge is preserving source-level security and privacy controls, especially when data owners and security officers need to rely on developers to code access policies. TrustLogic solves this by making it easy to create and deploy policies directly using a no-code interface, ensuring faster, more accurate access control without relying on developer intervention. Let's take a look. This Power BI report shows budget data filtered by department. The viewer belongs to the finance team, so they only see finance data, because you, the data owner, defined that policy in TrustLogics. Going to the TrustLogics UI, you can examine the access policy you defined for the finance data. Let's drill into it. The policy applies to the budget data object and limits access to rows where the department matches the user's department. With TrustLogics, you created this policy quickly and easily, no code required. You can build more complex policies too. Once deployed, these policies are enforced natively in the source data platforms like Snowflake, Databricks, or SQL Server, as well as in visualization platforms like Power BI. With activity monitoring and risk reporting, TrustLogics gives you end-to-end protection across your data lifecycle. To learn more, visit us at trustlogics.io/power-bi.